this? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the XL3D again. Only because we're gonna destroy it. I know everybody doesn't want to see old planes back on the channel, but we're gonna destroy it, man. We're gonna not too bad. I'm gonna try to learn some tricks, some low flying, upside down, flying really low, doing all this, whatever. We're gonna do it. We're just gonna break it because I need the electronics for this to build this other plane that I got in the makings right now. Okay, I'm going to explain to you why I have this cast. I know you guys like, why did he start this about the plane but not about the cast? Because I really don't want to talk about this. I got hit off a car, man. But let's get right into the flying. I'm gonna take it up and then we're gonna walk a little bit to the grass because I might use this to land, but then I don't know, we might just go land over there on the dirt. But we're just gonna take it up and we're gonna walk to the grass. Oh, well, that didn't work. Guys, this transmitter is awesome. So going to high rates right now, and I'm putting my trim to the motor all the way on. There you go. Okay, let's go. Wow, I did not know that 3S was like this slow, man. 3S sucks. Well, let's land this. Come on, let's go to the right a little bit. Let's go get our hats. But I was working one day, and literally what had happened was I was going straight, literally straight to cross the intersection, and the dude literally turned. It was a stop sign. I mean, no, it was a red light. And he was literally at the red light, so it doesn't say don't turn on red, so he's really not in the wrong. You know what I mean? Like, he was able to turn. Just that, I guess, if I would have seen that he had his turn on, I probably would have stopped. Like, the 4 cars behind him, there was literally 4 cars behind him. I literally would have stopped all the way behind him if I would have known that they was turning, because there was about like 1 or 2 cars turning that I know for sure, but it wasn't the first car, so that's why I still went. You know what I mean? So as soon as I got there, he literally went, boop. I smacked right into him, bro. I was riding, it was a scooter. I'm gonna see if I have a picture of it. But it was one of those little moped scooters that I was riding that day. I literally got smacked off that, bro. So, literally broke, I don't know the part of the bone, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's called the scaphoid, something like that. Broke it in half. I needed some surgery. Didn't get the surgery because I did not want to go through the pain. So, and I needed to get back to work as soon as possible, man. So soon after that, God blessed me with a job. So I got a new job. I don't have to worry about being all day working 13, 14 hours a day doing DoorDash. I still do DoorDash though. Like right now I'm on a little break from 2 to 2:30. It's literally 2:13, so got a little bit more to go. But besides that, I really don't have to kill myself no more. I have to like save some money so that way I can buy some equipment, because as you can see, I'm destroying this plane today, so that way I can get the equipment to build another plane for it, which I'm looking to see if the 4S doesn't have enough power, I might not have enough power to power that other plane, because it's gonna be a little hefty. Like, what should I do? Like, I ain't gonna lie, look, this battery is perfect. This is a perfect battery. It's at 83. Look, everything is still the same except for that one cell, but everything is good. Let me know. It's pretty good, this battery, and it's brand new almost. It's just really old. You know what I mean? So, and it's really puffy. You think I still got some time, or should I just chuck it, man? I don't know. But look at it, perfectly square. And this is a bubble, man. It's getting harder and harder. But I did have this in my attic for a while. Look at that. I could get out of inverted with no problem. Now let's try to do a low inverted. Whoa, that was crazy. Let's move up a little bit. Honestly, that was a little sketchy for me because that was the first time I ever actually tried that. So, go one more time. was all right. Gotta keep it away from us. We don't wanna smack each other. Well, I was trying to do a little touch thing. But on the phone. It was landing, but it was good. It was good. It was good, right? What is it called? A hover. A hover. That's what it's called. If I feel like if I had a little bit more power, I would be able to hover. I'll probably have to calibrate my ESP motor. Look at that. Slap these out. These big old Medusas. Right. We should have a little bit more, one more flight time, and we should be able to actually get some more tricks without this landing gear. So, see if this is the end of it. Does handle a little better. Look at that. It's the first time that low. Let me see if I can touch the tip. Can I? Almost. Oh goodness. Goodness. I almost did it. Let's see if I can touch that rudder to the floor. I seen I forgot who I seen do it. Was it Peter? I don't know. Somebody. Can we get it? Let me bring it back. Hold on. Let's try it again. Oh my gosh. Too close. Oh, and that was it for the rudder. Look at the rudder. I don't think we need a rudder to fly though. Well, this top piece, let's see. Y'all wanna test out? Wanna test it out, right? Let's test it out, let's see. Let's see. We still got some. Oh, the rudder still, look, this is the rudder. Okay, rudder still works. So, I can get lower now. Oh, I ain't touch it there. Oh, goodness. Guys, I know you guys heard it and seen it. I know you guys heard it and seen it. I did it. For a rookie, I'm getting pretty good. I ain't getting pretty good. So now let's try to get it in the goalie. Upside down, right? That'll be dope. Let's go. Oh, let's try it. Oh, it's still flying. The prop, guys, the motor is like literally about to come off, so we're gonna try to hit the goalie. Let me see. Come from over there, upside down. Oh yeah, it's over. It's over. Sorry, family. Sorry. I think that might be it because of the motor mount only. So honestly, that was very good. That was pretty fun. I think I gotta do that with the rest of the planes I got in the house. And yeah, that was definitely it. The motor mount popped off. But at least now we learned a new trick. And I'm actually able to use this electronics to put it on a new plane. Now I hope that the prop didn't break. It looks like it did not. Yes. Right, let's disconnect this. Yeah, goodness. All right. Oh, well, there goes for this battery. As I'm saying, I don't want to mess it up. Look what happened, guys. I don't even want to take that screw out, to be honest. And I smell it too. It's actually, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what happens. You want to be careful when you guys are doing that to your planes, because now in the midst of me messing up a plane, now I messed up a really expensive, this wasn't expensive, it was about 50 bucks for two. So that's not that bad. It's like 25 bucks for each. But this was, I only have two 4S's, guys. So now I have one. And yeah, this is definitely smelling like that stuff. So we don't want to let it get worse and that create a big fire. So just be careful when you guys are breaking your planes. I suggest just breaking them on your own with your hands. But me, I like to have fun like this. And that's it. But alright everybody, that was it for this video. Thank you guys for staying this long. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We are not going nowhere, honestly. We're gonna get back into dropping videos every single week. As soon as I get the funds to literally get all the material, because all I need right now, honestly, is just push rods and servos. That's it. Alright? That's it for this video. Wish you guys luck in your next build and stay creative.